Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are diving into an unboxing of BoxyCharm. Now this is a monthly subscription that is catered to beauty items, and this is technically my second box. The first one I got when I signed up, and it was really late in the month, so I didn't want to like make a video and post it, and it really wouldn't have been like new, you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So this box just came in the mail, and this is for the month of October. So I'm really excited to see what kind of items are in here. So join me on this unboxing and let's get into it. BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription, and I have a lot of good friends that have this box and that showcase them on their channels. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I do enjoy watching people unbox these, and I feel like some of the items I'm like really into, and some I'm kind of on the fence, really based on skin tone. So I went on BoxyCharm, and they do like this little quiz where you can try to cater some of the items that they potentially would add to the box to your skin tone. So I'm really hoping that this box will have products that I can use. And of course, if I have like one item that I'm like, I'll just put it in a giveaway, but I'm really hoping that a majority of this box I will want to use on myself. So the price of BoxyCharm is $21, but keep in mind that they did send out a notice that starting November 1st, the box is going to be increased to $25 a month. Now they do have a varying type of payment options where you can kind of prepay for different months, so like 3 months, 6 months, I think 9 and a year type of thing. But because I'm kind of new to the subscription box, I wanted to just keep this as a monthly, so month to month, and we'll give this a try till December and see if I like it. If I do, then I will subscribe, I will prepay, but for right now, let's month to month, let's feel her out, and hopefully I will like the items in this box. So with that being said, let's open up October. And if you have this subscription box, let me know down below what you feel about yours and how it's been working. Have you been loving the items? So yeah, so let's give this a go. Okay. So I'm opening this up, and right here, so it says BoxyCharm, and I have version number 38 with a heart, and it says flip over for a bigger BoxyCharm. Okay, and it looks like they're trying to do a promo to do the bigger BoxyCharm or BoxyCharm Premium, so it has all that information down below. And here, let's see, okay, so then in the pamphlet, it gives you all the items that are in your box. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out, this is the Illuminati, that's cute. So this looks like a beauty blender or type of a cosmetic sponge. So this is an edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. This is cool. And yeah, so it's black, which I like because of my dark skin. So this will work really well with like my foundations and stuff. It won't look so dirty. But yeah, so it feels really nice. It feels a little bit denser than the Beauty Blender, but it's not as dense as like the Morphe, the red sponge. I personally don't like the Morphe sponge because it's just it's so stiff. Like no matter how much water I add into mine, it just, I don't know. I'm just that one odd ball that doesn't like it. But this one I feel like I'm gonna like. So that is nice. And the next thing in the box, this is the Touch and Soul. So this is a Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And I really like the packaging. It's super, super cute. It's pink. It's like an iridescent pink. Okay, interesting. I have, what is a glassy silk balm or skin balm? Okay, so it says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So this is a primer. Okay, so it's a skin primer. Oh, okay. The smell is fine. It's like a mix between floral and a hint of citrus, like a hint, but definitely more floral. Let me give this a feel. because I do like a good primer. Okay. Ooh, okay, my skin feels nice. That feels really, really nice. So I'm excited about that. Okay, that felt and that did blend into the skin really nice, and it feels super, super soft. So I'm excited to give that a try, and I like the packaging. The packaging is super cute. Okay, so this is the Glassy by Touch in Soul. And the next item, so this is the Elmis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Now this was included in a previous box, just by watching my other friends unbox their later months or earlier months, this was included. So get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin, vegan and cruelty-free. I'm actually pretty interested to try this mask out. I was interested when I saw people unbox it, so I am excited that I have this one, and let's do a mask video with this mask. So if you want to see me try this, let me know down in the comments, and we will do a skincare video, and I will try this out for the first time. So the second to last item, this is the Iconic London, and let's see, this is a lip plumping gloss. Now, let's hope that it's not mint scented because I don't like that. Oh, it's a weird scent. Oh, that's a weird scent. That's weird. This is a non-sticky gloss with plumping power. It's a high shine formula, and this helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Let's see. So it says it's not sticky. I mean, the shade of it is, it's very opaque, so it's not like a clear gloss. It seems okay. It seems fine. Let's try this. I'm gonna try this on now on top of this lipstick. Right now I am wearing one of the Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipsticks, and this is in Ladies Night. So let's try this. Okay, it's not terribly high shine. There is a tingling sensation, but it's not so overbearing that's distracting. It's just like a little tingle here and there. But yeah, I like it. It's not crazy, and it doesn't smell that great, to be honest, but it's not overbearing, so that's a plus. I'm not a fan of the smell, but the smell isn't so strong. The sensation is fine, and I think that the high shine, medium shine. Let's not get crazy. This is like a medium shine gloss, and it's okay. So this is my first London type of lip product, so I will definitely add this to my collection and give it a try with other products. I usually don't wear just a gloss by itself. I do like putting like a color on my lips, so we will pair this with other lipsticks, but so far, so good. Okay, and the last item that we have here, this is an eyeshadow palette, it looks like. And this is by Dose of Colors. Now, Dose of Colors, for me, I really think of their lip products. I really love their matte liquid lipsticks. And recently, a good friend of mine, her name is Kailee Wesley. We did a wonderful collaboration with our husbands, and I'll link it up above and down below. And of course, I will leave her channel as well. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. We did like a snacking swap, and it was so much fun. But in that video, she gifted me a Dose of Color highlight, which I have never tried any type of highlight from the company. Again, I'm really about lipsticks, and I'm actually wearing it today, like surprise, surprise, like this is just a great day. So yeah, I'm wearing it today, and it's in the shade Melonade, and it's stunning. It is absolutely stunning. It's like this gorgeous pinky toned deep pink for darker skin tones. It is just so pretty. So thank you, Kailee, so much for that. It is amazing, and I'm gonna hit pan on that so quickly. Okay, so back to this. So this is the Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Color, and this is an eyeshadow palette. So this is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrancy to your eye looks. So let's give this an open. And again, I've never tried an eyeshadow palette from this company. And this says that it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. So that's nice. I like the packaging. It is super cute. And let's see, let's give this an open. So, oh, this came a little bit damaged. Okay, so that's a no-blow. So it came with a brush, a double-ended brush, and the brush was not like wrapped or anything, and it has shadow all over it. So here are the shades in the palette, and they're okay. Like I'm not impressed, but they're okay. So it looks like one of the shades was just nicked, and I guess that's what the, yeah, looks like the same shade here. So I don't know, maybe through packaging or who knows. Who knows? But let's give this a swatch because I am interested to see what the colors look like. So here is the lighter shade in the palette. Okay, so that's pretty. It's very pigmented, so that's nice, and it feels really, really buttery and soft. Okay, so the next shade here, this is a nice pink, soft pink. That's nice as well. So far as swatches, as far as the feel of them, they feel really nice. The pigmentation is pretty good for this palette. Now I'm gonna be running into this lip gloss. Okay, so that is the next shade up here. There is some kickback from the shades. Okay, that is the next shade here. Now what I'm really getting from this palette, it's not a lot of like deep tones, so okay, but we have one deep tone in the palette. So really this deep berry would have to go really well with all of these shades, because there is really not a look where I would use any of these without this one, you know? So I would need this one to really darken any of the 4 right here, but that is a really nice deep berry shade. So there is kickback. It's a cute palette. I think this would be good for traveling, for vacation. Really, I would take this one. One, because if I broke it, I don't have like a sentimental hold to it, you know what I'm saying? But the shades in this palette are very subtle, very complementary to each other, and very everyday for my skin tone, for what I prefer. So I do like purpley shades, and for a vacation where I'm kind of like pop something on and go, I think this would be a good palette. The mirror in here, the quality is really nice. Like that's a really nice quality mirror, I won't lie. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's nice, and I will just pop the double-ended brush. I'm definitely gonna have to wash this because it didn't come, well, I wash my brushes anyway, but this didn't come wrapped in paper or in plastic, so yeah, I'm gonna wash that. So yeah, so that completes everything that was in this box. So far, I like it. I really do like it. I'm impressed. There's nothing in here that I'm like, oh gosh, why? So, okay, BoxyCharm, you did it. This box is a plus. I enjoyed all the items, and I am so excited to go and watch everyone else's unboxings. So if you do BoxyCharm, let me know down in the comments below, and I would love to go see your unboxing and see what you got as well. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. So stay tuned for these items to pop up in future makeup videos. So I'm thinking I want to do a like my top favorites or just my monthly favorites type of video. So I'm gonna try and do those within the first week of each month. So for this month of October, I've been using some items that I'm like so excited to talk about with you guys, and that video will be coming up in the first week of November, so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm excited to use some new items, and I hope you are excited to see more BoxyCharm on my channel. And with that being said, I will stop rambling. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.